Welcome to the Knowlton Elementary Dual Language Presentation. Knowlton Elementary is a bilingual campus offering the dual language program in grades kindergarten through 3rd grade for the 2021-2022 school year. This is Knowlton Elementary, where our goal for our dual language program is to produce bilingual, biliterate, and bicultural students. The dual language models are bilingual models that are additive, where learning happens in two languages that are valued equally. At Knowlton Elementary, we offer both the two-way and one-way models, depending on the interest of our non-EL students. English learners, or EL students, are students that are identified as English learner by the state-established criteria. They may enter the dual language program at any grade level if the space is available. If the space is not available, then they can receive bilingual services in the transitional program. English proficient students, or non-EL students, are students that English is their native language. They may enter the dual language program in kindergarten or 1st grade. In the two-way classroom, classes are made up ideally of 50% English proficient students and 50% English learners, with a maximum of 22 students. The one-way model classroom is composed of only bilingual students, typically with some being more proficient in English. There are many ways to do the dual language program, but here at Knowlton, we do the 90-10 program model in both the two-way and one-way programs. In this program model, the language distribution changes by grade level. There is a gradual decrease in Spanish and a gradual increase in English as the mode of instruction. For example, grades kindergarten and 1st grade start with 90% Spanish instruction and 10% English instruction. As you can see in the red, which is a Spanish instruction, it starts decreasing as the years go by, whereas the blue, which is the English instruction, starts increasing. When will my child learn English? The time to develop English is strategically planned out to provide a contrastive analysis of the two languages. The power of dual language comes from the building of metalinguistic knowledge, where students bridge ideas between languages by comparing and contrasting the two languages. Teachers do bridging to help develop the vocabulary in both languages. They teach phonics in context and focus on non-transferable skills. How do students understand what they learn in a second language? Teachers use different strategies to help students learn the languages. Strategic partners. Teachers use strategic partners where students rely on each other to learn the content being taught. In this picture, we see students who are working with their partners. Typically, students are paired up, a monolingual student with a bilingual student. Contextualize. The teacher also uses routines, visuals, gestures, exaggerated movement, manipulatives, and other cues to clarify expectations. This short video is of one of our kindergarten dual language teachers.
Ok, entonces lo que vamos a hacer, Eliana y Isabel, es que vamos letra empieza, con qué sonido empieza, y le vamos a hacer choque. ¿Ok? Entonces te voy a enseñar.
In this video, the teacher was using gestures to help the students understand the steps of what they were going to do during the lesson. Language support. Teachers give students language support by using sentence stems, cognates, and developing their vocabulary. Now, I would like to showcase some of our youngest learners. Please listen as some of our current students model what they have learned.
Yo veo el sol. Yo veo el perro. Yo veo el niño.
Laila, ¿me puedes decir qué dice?
Me gusta jugar con mi mamá.
In this last video, the student used sentence frames as well as a syllable chart to help herself write a sentence. These short videos gave you a little snapshot of what our students are learning in the program. Knowlton Elementary is a school where our students are our priority. At Knowlton, we are family. The moment you walk in the door, you will be greeted by our bilingual administration and office staff. You will notice by walking down the hallways that we are a language-rich school that values the importance of both languages equally. Thank you for your time. For more information, please contact Mayra Buendia or Sonia Solorzano at 210-397-2600.